So Kini Japan, in his own way, did not help MPP 2023-2024 elections. Everything and anything and NDC for the year campaign in Kini Japan. Say, be now can you can announce someone to be in power.
Okay.
But now means in the two position. Ken not to wait. Ken, whatever not stop no. As a Ken, who see a ferry. Minimum crop for your question. They are starting with you have to take your money to be Ronaldo, Baumia, and now why like I say other from above. When you
okay.
So I don't sound somebody who enter.
After election, one can't say flag bearer no the party anymore than a woman's son. What's a party no phobia can't say no more.
And your mom because we should consider about me so can I don't really tell me Kini Japan is a godfather for the parent people. Young to name but your best friend. Now know some mood. You're only careful with what he says. How far as assembly and going to was an onboard promo. You were part of the governance for 8 years, Ghana Gas and board chair. Expecting say in inform Kini Japan party. No. That's the last thing I will wish for.
Call for.
Mommy, some people will call for a party. We have 16 regions. How many regions are now calling for?
Okay.
We just heard the central region.
Okay.
And they're calling for. But that doesn't give the leadership say, Saki Obi. No. Even Baba will not allow. Ghana for a kind of branch, and this phone needs to mama. Say you have no money bears are 28. Into Mundi side is a 28, no trouble. Baumia. Baumia, that's the slogan. MPP, the party needs free. And we have to do a church say it in one sense and a party. 2028, 2029, but we power.
Okay.
The deal is about me. Yamina de neighbor, Yamashi Shadada. That man is ordained by God. Now, Humbra say, it's like that, I know it's too much. We are seeing now who's a branch here, will be a leader. He's born a leader. We should not see politics as devilish. No. Politics, our Bible, it's our politics.
Okay.
Yes, Obana will be the area of go decide. They're going to use kerosene for decide. They know politics.
Abusia ene 26 June 2026 na mama wa aba too much atija show so ene busia ene de ahihye so na sabe de hutwe wani ene ko ha ya manyo semu a NPP party no ena sabe ehu se ya baba fibra ono aboke na kokko Japan ebesai wo pon ewo NPP party so wo chomo se 2027 June July de ene se so na me be chen Ghana say no yi su ya yira pa na nsemo obeka no ebeyiri e dia fa NPP ye pa fi sabre no NPP party no emunyo ye mo chemilu se ye atu e fa ejina ono aboke na kokko Japan chi e fa so ejina NPP party na chi e chese ensemo wo kan ne de no kwasem ne se wan kan nsem ni ye kra ya so e party ni ba mapa ya wo dwene party no ho pa so e NPP ni a asansem no enya de so obeka na busia ono abo brand champion so ba bonta be chese ensemo a ono abo kan ne de wan ka se ye sa e na minority leader eye owura Alexander Fenyamarkin so no so abonten abetwe se sansem no abo kan ne de enye nsem a e de enkabo mu ebeba party no we e dia dan se epinifo emienu anka enim se omo de enkaba ne se omonyonko pa na nka omonyonko ene omrabo kana kokko Japan so omo so ababonten be kan se de ate se NPP party ni nyina no eni enye ensem a omrabo kana kokko Japan e kan no enra epinifo ekohia se ensem a ekoso sen ena wo de ebe no obo chire e de ama disciplinary committee a omo e hwe ni mu se mu aye ben ena ebe free ho edi aba na so ba meeting no ekoso ebi mu ye flyers ne banners ne ade ho se Ken must go ya wo yo madwene se ne tie bia ebra so bi so mo se dondo ho yi afo otegare ono aboka na kokko Japan aye yi wo mu ni free party ni na party no ehu entime enso no so sa bre ko na ene ehu se ebi ene wo mu de tokwa bo ani de de we dia dan se ne nsemo abeka no ye nsemo obi a e condemn no ene we chire still ano odoso oboso wo adofo ewo NPP party no wo mo empese wo mbei party no edi ombei no edi free party no ebi e kan se wo ma bo se mo obeka ene de o ye right okwa ebi so na so approach na o fine no eno ena one for approach papa amane nsem no akwa say we ena busu ene yesi ho nkonwa ye ba bi bobo hu nze mene Alhaji Farouk oye communicator edi ma NPP amunye ko no ena mene sin konwa busu aka mo ye ma na kwa ba na fe ye ni nkomo Amabo
Baba
mo akwaba
mejeso
bibia boko
adum ni paibo na hweyi go se ka NDC for Gwananka kasa mamu de rhetorical governance and settings idi anka bia mane kono de enkoyi ba Ghana for nyina hwe Ghana for the right judges because uko NDC uko MPP mo ya do one bia but the floating voters and the Ghanaians who votes So that 15, 17, 18 million Ghanaians have votes now. They can decide on how the state is going. It's so good about the MPP because the MPP 1.5 years now, first no matter how bad, Abba, their initiative starting year Juma. NDC 24-hour economy, I want to be anti-racy and that 24-hour market. I don't want to be anti-racy. It's a Wuba, now I'm doing the impact and your effect one so. So, because 24-hour market, then the 24-hour economy, 133, no, rhetorics, who rather someone would be to me. But I don't look near the Afro. We are always there. Me, TV, so radio, so be there, the NDC, and the John Gaman Mama said 24 hours. Won't be shame found. The book Ghana for the to me. But won't me market to economy 133. Come to me, shame found. I don't know. It's better than I was in San and for so be a muscle. With this very good, the state of my own media, and I am that part. The Mamma won't be my see, I did him. So, Mamma, okay.
And the year Yami, the evening so obey. Now, Sabre, or mining, and I will see Yami, MPP for most more young wives, the Sabre, the most Ken must go on.
Oh, I make a MPP. Yamiago, the day to me, Ghana folk, most young so as young son. Moon say, what to the color TV, a cotton black and white. Because na enya nyama boss no crabo near party. Enya never boss no ska Then as the young man out there, Ukukuma is saying, the party, Sika on home. Maza, a man who go a mind to chill mine is you, Nanny Pano Gumu one chill. No one to the woman.
Okay.
Woman, Nanny Pano in home. Another don't work for the car, send it, and I always could. Say, or better me, I manage economy. But if would be what do you manage? So in this very contest, make sure whatever you do, and if amendment be obeyed, the other, if it's a governance, if it's a baby, and what Omomuti of mine. As I was a look good on paper, not physically the poor suffering. No,
sanity.
Obama, now tell me, I'm a Timubi. Then I did for Kaya, tell me, you know, another Bakupen poor Kaya, my Mr. Journalist. Tell me about Mukaya, my year. Because I come to them in Bugatti. Bakupe, Mukase, they are by your my year.
Omoche, who pockets and cassette.
Who got them?
Omoche.
When you be,
may
make us so much because we're going to need. Men cast of much because we need. I don't know a slogan. I expected to win election, the win election. Ghana for a kind of watch them and this for Nipsham Mamma. Say, I know money bears are 28. Into Moon decided to 28 enough. No trouble about Baumia. Baumiam Gambajimo, that's the slogan. Baumiam Ghana, that's the slogan. Where we are now, Ghana, Yejina, Konkonsu, and easy.
Parts in your way now, Dr. Muhammad Baumia, the Babaji Ghana free, MPP.
Mammy, MPP. A party, Bakufo and Yenswa.
Okay.
A good a party, at your door, any income, any Bakun in the tea party. Young from Muja, and you will go anti party. And a young folk, you will go anti party. Bakun yet, the party is free. And we have to do a church say it in one sense a tea party.
Okay.
The Dampa do Bubuzia. It be free at Chima Santini Srim, a Cambo tea party. A church say a door when you don't body Bakun yet. And a tea party. Obi am fani moja and sign your constitution.
Okay.
Yes, it tells you say I'm more than more dog, more in dear, more dog, and what mama or mine, you know. So mine be in the young the MPP. We can understand and beside but here once a year until once in we can solve problems. And it is a because we have been say we are one MPP, I forget it. And when I work before peace. And when peace comes, we'll be active on once, we'll be on the level. Party na coming 2028, 2029. But we power.
Okay.
The DNC about me akwayo. Nyame na de neba. Nyame ahye dada. That man is ordained by God. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is ordained by God, not human being. They be free. We be able to do. Na humbra see. Obu. It's like God know is too much. We are seeing now who's a branch here. Obi a leader. He's born a leader.
Okay.
So in this very contest, Baumia stand very tall to win 2028 elections because he has proven himself during his viceship. Our vice president Kwapone Juma who demand MPP no actually say no or man no being it drip, being it Ghana card, being it drone system, be a lot. Make me coming in our mommy. So I'll tell you, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia had done wedi actually nipa. Say, obetumi asom oman, onso nipa bi, na onso nipa bi ba obesom oman no ma. Obi a oti oman no bi amato. nti Ghana for onye didi o be from ba o mu say nyame adoma 2028 won to mama no wini bebre na ndis for ntumi wi o mu go tikiti we wi o mu mu akrofo ti mu ntu ne ye a mu ntumi wi
enzeli afi yenhwe mo se ono abokena kompre kwa Japan ne nsem a wo be ka yi edifa afari hu a ene akwakodu se ibi mo asore se eno abo yenyini free party no because I say ayeyi ewo party because aba ma party no timeline say June July de ne o man we mo ampa e bedwa de ma wo ono any empty party no enti mo se mo yi ibi si yenyini free party na Ghana fo bi se ewo mo se ebia ensem no ono abo be ka ye no approach no far so ne bi okọ radio so call rante ye na ade no na enye kwan papa so but o hwe ensem no kan ne de ankeno ano nti no kra no ka ye no na mo mpe na na
oyema obi an ni ho a before ye pe say ye be yam fum so na otumi aka na ya correct your mistakes
okay
but at times you know season any time bia any dia ye e o bible no mana mboa eza papa no ka say the bia woni thank you so o bible no say we are saying na we na mu kwa nyame asem na ebo ye ho ban ana guide ye nti say excuse my word o yini mi dia no wo tiri mu a ko bible no enti no ba ni be ma wari wi a ye bible ni show ba ne nsa because ni say be ma ya hadwene say it is to be show ba ne nsa say fe ko sie because be ma ya so modene say na be ya hu say ho tire oburu so a ko bible no na bible no guidelines aware emu nda hota e wo ni sunsan so nti wo ti wo wale mo ko bible no nti say a politician we should not see politics as devilish no politics our bible mu Bible politics Bible muda politics Quran muda it's everywhere yes you have one na mo ba yes you be di nyame chi no be bo nyame no eduma no omo nyina they encountered these challenges people were disposing before opposing among for ebi pe nti politics no nyina ya bi nko benko no kwa dey politics nti aware kwa bo ni politics yes obana bi dey dey nyokola no decide be ko no so is carrots if ko decide nyina politics so ni obi uni oyere because outside and bechi no go say no baby in second Japan you were the board chair for Ghana Gas for 8 years you were part of you on board at the board for the defense ministry excuse me to say openly you said say una we hear Ashanti regional appointments una we hear do na we see we hear say so watch video no I think I had the video here me to can be for 1 year correct so Ashanti Kwatin kwan no no kwanampo na we hear ni aka bi nyina una we appointment so tell me say we hear appointment it tells you say we are very very strong how una na do kasa one on one he listen and now what defense say we Ghana Gas we won nyina nyame adom arodode wo ho sika wo ho be nka ne sa enti say we obi na bi tenemu yes opportunity na e friends na dem for account bi
opportunity hwe mankolare na nka
ye kana nka we for on bo di kai enti say can etuma tena ho with these positions with these connections with the bank of Fado what to na o bone when to me an scrutino when to me an correctino na ndo be kan no ye nyatwo honorable Ken akopre ko Japan be ka say na oye chair oye defense chair committee no eso but ono kwa oye chair no ka say bibidu ya wo mko ho a ye say order from above ye stop him ya mo manko enti say ono so wo pa ko hwe aferi hospital no e she defense ministry ase na order be from above so chair no astop na wantimi anko ho a na obeka no abonten a Oba good message now order be you are above I go carry Japan so was in power who can now you can you be stopped no let's no forget about it
Onya vice
president he's close to Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo Fava is too chain by that time no only Nana do daily only vice in daily vice is the list he goes to when he wants a problem to be solved or person be bibia or Nana do or vice for so on to me can say order from above one and above no look at the Ken or Tiwi Ken whatever must stop no o say ye can so no can say be na my be mu debris order be the free above as a Ken who see a ferry minimum crop for ye kohwe ni start ho djuma atoto ni amana etumi bia na nado ba o mi ana hwan be ka say order from above no hwan bio so I don't doubt somebody intro make it say intro because Ken was very close to the nado
But honorable can wouldn't the so chantro.
Mamma make a tell say, Nantro de do her a do as a child.
Okay.
I do as a child, a chance of
white line.
And I make a say I won't on a debt because the whole chief justice or your sworn in can say, will be as certain 30 years on a life imprisonment. Because into a chantro, on the one to enjoy the money. Mounty tells you said, you say trouble near chantro, and it's tragedy. So McKenny can't tell us the order from above between young Biafra hospital. Then that's a canny car or the Katia MPP. Who can be 8 years, juicy positions. Who should never fire and that I mean, not to me from NDC, the Funka. I mean, MPP, maybe the deep bottle and there was somebody there at them. Oh, it's a share. At times, you know, put on Tiso the boom. In certain go for me, Jima. No could do so. Who did the main streamline people? Remember them before you extend it. But so as we are wanting Madame for giving me an ban. No. Finally, and then Apapu is lambasting MPP because of godfathership.
Okay.
And your godfather is not ready to step out.
Okay.
So let's assume your godfather comes in now. Where the vessel are not. We don't say that they didn't know party.
Okay.
When you were in NDC, you were lambasting MPP. Kuba Fonka, Eddie. Kulebichi, Ebeti Fonka, and some other Betty by MPP. To see how the money did JV, and then who said the MPP at them? They come also in their position, the year, who can be?
Okay.
Oh, it is a idea, Yanka and Ra. So many have been there, as a party, it's not so maybe. But many been to them in Sena, and yet,
Honorable Yashe, Abra, Honorable can accompany Japon, Ebeka, Sans any woman since you. As it stands now, that's why your MPP name. Yeah, when one can say we free party no so because we in every way. It the empo so because ansem no and a party no bo anyo so a. And na kwan bia ni wa party no be fa. Ka omni ono abobe kasa so e bia. Won sem ya wo be ka ye de. Ano e hyedo de nkasa sa anai bia esan bia sese a party no gina ni nti ensem bi wo a party no ho donti. Eya no wa mena no munso aguso. But party na anya ne sa yes, it's on social media, so press conference, I hope will be a yes. One more air attack on our book and a compare for Japan. And no Nagana for sending a sadia. So I back some of some not kind and yes, she told me to beginning in Ego. It's an approach, no, so only approaching the end, yeah. And people as a party, so approach almost the can fast on so, and your papa.
Mammy, I can tell you, sir, there is no way we need because a political attack in Japan.
Okay.
Whatever he said. Say, can be back and cry. Say, Oka assassin, penny for arm friend when Nankasa. Say, what's with your idea? And try and find a your position, your way. Now, your prayer, who are Ghana for the crack or to bomb. After you're part of the board, you're part of the governance. So, what do you do about it? So, depending for Freddy Naka. But as a boys, no, sir. Mammy, so one Jessica Kukram, and Ferris see with the only sort there. That's how better is one. It's a one person sells yourself to the media will hold it. It's a media boy is no more a radio. What to be a trend.
Okay.
And actually, Japan is a somebody who didn't come away one. You are gone. Viewers need likes, they're going to be great. It is a who got on media. The youth on the media will hold it. Especially, there's maybe we accept it at the MPP side. They hold it and do. So it tells you, so before you say something, make sure whatever you are going to say. And the core against the party, once we are in opposition. So also to the base, or being stop from the base I want it.
Oh, because what today?
And I make a say, the base did in a month for Bobo in Ano. And you won't didn't see a deity. Into Brabant take us a many interested via the base in Yassam because Upiaro about Abontin Quatin said several times defending they said the boss and take his side and he would never leave MPP because also MP. Into the boss never disobeyed MPP. Into the week of Abontin and Trump. And yeah, the base in the month for the match, we couldn't see the base are fine. But us in Canada, Japan joining anything like the base there, it's no. So all we want is unity. For front line, and spearheaded the programs ahead of us. Say regional constituency elections, regional and national. Then to a party need say next year, let's start a campaign. Then target assembly seats. I lose the portal. You target the BGB. Never strengthen your base.
Assembly is politicians more than.
Man, this is how politics.
Assembly.
I'm telling you
about politicians. Imagine no swafa.
Mama. Mrs. Are any politicians in the political interest no room I'm telling you. Now who assemblyman now electoral area you have 5 seats. You have 5 seats and then this will be 4 seats 3 years. In that very moment, you as the leader or you as the executives must strategize. Now we have to strengthen the base because the base in the assembly elections, into 100 years after general elections.
Okay.
Because the street boys, the hawkers, the sellers, to assembly elections, elites, to assembly elections. On the office, open by 5. Time on the job. We give about 6:30 and 7. And Mama, never my card, Nico, in term to be also how much. Or to lie. Into a great man on some point at Ben, or by that baby. It's elites most of the time, elites into assembly elections. This the more there were areas, street boys, street girls, grabber 4, mate 4, and describe it depending how I only would take. No more trouble.
Okay, honorable Yansha, yes, if Oko say in the family no point, besides and now was someone a DNC and in the some day na Esia Womoku. Adano campaign IPP for a year, internal elections, a Womoka flag bearer, and some way PP will move and yes, some Ketwa. The 10 cents of Honorable Kone Japan, the 10 cents of Dr. Brandon Champon, the 10 cents of Dr. Muhammad Baumia, the 10 cents of Community Japan, the 10 cents of Education Minister, the referee Dinkaka. I say, Obia Educhum, Obia, and that is the Abonefo in whom they could not say any Pabonini Bakumedian. I know that, Yashan, somewhere you can't yet the Honorable Kone Japan to the extent say, cook at him because say, or no any leader within the city, ye near the 3 years. None one down because our boss answer me in also can someone a bronya kafan home, someone HMS about to Kai honorable, and someone honorable attach a kafan, meaning I and someone or boss, not as answer me now honorable to ye. Na a shame a bit just say, yet so a bunny ya doctor every knee, you know. A chad of the Senko belt fresh uncle for ya. Omokasamo when you see honorable openly magana for United Magana for us and some way they are more sure to know. Kawani omo common nasi, Nanko Moko patch or Manko yesa. Honorable said in the birthday, saying was a cook and such a phone. So was Irish honorable can appropriate Japan happy baby. That's a found full in being a warrior. It's when you now accumulate with you and I feel the wire exploding. Now honorable no say it didn't explode with them wasn't everyone. It's a woman say when I'm passed ever.
Rabba, who can 10 cents here can be ideal. But you see, why is back once it tells you the question mark. Oh,
okay.
Say a santimemono, and at times some of our chimmemono. So this year, sorry, no yakwani in the Dachin, Akuna, or with dear. It's terrible. Friendly Nanti, friendly Dimo, friendly Castle, not this year, any idea. And then, formally, to be uncles who got me the but I can stand. Let me stand on my feet. I catch you say, "Ne, uncle school are forgetting. I think the people will not give it to you."
Okay.
And then, share literally or come back for us or motivating. Share something in India go. Share chimay. You see, it tells you these are the strong kunya or memoir. And almost I will say, in the beginning air back say, we be this year. I want kunya kasi so. We be this year. I want Ghana kunya so. And now we this year, our Ghana Mumha, it was so short.
Okay.
Near Okande, Kassayam Fama, the career, your doctor, your toho, a train watchman. Assembly terms some yender, yet a common Kuma history, to me, a share, a kind. So it tells you, say, Kassabi or Yanka, who per se, or Chinebi, who be domain, obey a penimbi. Oh baby, show Kasa, you the best. I did a titty by Kasa. So Kimi Japan, in his own way, did not help MPP 2023-2024 elections. Everything and anything and NDC gonna end this for the year campaign in Japan. The last 1 month before elections, we go UTV, we go Ever TV, we go normal rented TV stations. You're working and look as a positive, near one negative. You go positive, near one negative. About Baumia. So, when you know our committee problems in you know after elections, you go elections. Are you telling me, sir, can Japan the company? Oman Kashi and Sebaunia.
Okay.
Oman dinner attempt. Okay. Oman to the pay. Oh, madam. Let's be fair. You're transparent here. Can Japan dug the who and be fair inside?
Okay.
Only two not train about me. Yeah, there's no way we can as we work as what to see. comfortably. I can follow. I can use a pa. Until by the same. Yen will be the secret behind those things. But any be a near can. The secret behind those things, that hatred that creating about me at a go, you be free.
Okasa hatred that I know nyeshin because on okasa call say onye bitter. Say the Ghana for be say because of our election now we lose it. It says a bitterness we will not say there be onye bitter. So okasa hatred that.
Maybe you hatred because that's what I use. Because then about me I can. A book about the primaries. Whatever you opted for, say me proxy voting, me say. Amendment you can when you was stadium was a park and also fine for this legal said then no. And you call amendment you who are the ultra by the count, they are opening for trouble by the count. Oh, what is in amendment of the you couldn't meet him in a motive and you decided. You decided we are coalition after elections, no campaign. Openly you said, say, transparent election, let's say elections with that. So they do that.
But after election, one can't say flag bearer no the party anymore. No woman so. What's the party no call for be a cancer? No more.
I know more cancer. We should can't about me. So can I don't really tell any part.
Okay.
I should can be about me. And some of these body campaign with breakers and I want some. One call and be announced some. And once I want to stop one call a man one can muka. But we can never tell somebody to resort Ken or attack Ken. No. You maybe some of the things you did to Baumanity among for also finding bitterness in that. Instead of attacking you. Oh, instead of can say, so who said go from your no point because I'm not going to see it.
Okay.
And then that you see that you can walk up. You can't know the see and say, near can be here, but we are doing the election 2024 elections. No, be finding bitterness in that. Say, be ya. Now can you announce someone to be in power?
Okay.
But now means they be in their two position. So they use bitterness in saying things. Oh, into your time, you say, I can't say, me and can't say, you pay, you can't say, it's here. Kenny Japan is a godfather for the parent people. You to name Chile, but your best friend. Now, no some mood. It's only careful with what he says. How far as assembly and going to was a non-body promo. You were part of the governance for 8 years, Ghana Gas and board chair at Defense Ministry, and you have every strength just to go there and make sure the right thing is done. What he has said, my appointment to Ashanti region, and the speech are everything still was Ashanti region. So can't you even command the friend is saying Defense Ministry now Health Ministry say, oh make sure say that very health facility no make me 500 beds and that the kitwa. When do you know now then the about position after the American way. Excuse me, so it's only people who take you serious. It's only few people because who can be there? Until I say no, I want me and can then American. Say na you power month me and you. Now who don't cause over me and you can say to me and you. Where were you? Behind the defense and at the Ghana Gas, what were you doing? Okay. What were you adding up? Okay. Say the right things will be done. After you were that's our stronghold. Because of the Buffoti, the seats are in your region. About 4 or 5 seats are gone. So it tells you 2028, those seats, we are going to retrieve all those seats.
After tsunami, banana.
Oh, man, forget about tsunami. It will not affect anybody.
Yeah, sure.
2028, I'm telling you, and then you see it.
That I was say MPP na ye first MPP or former president His Excellency John Ajako for time pa MPP no yes MPP ni MPP a mutimi yi secretary yi chairman afoko ni secretary mutimi suspend wo nyina no na enei yetimi nya MPP a amanfo di atem openly timi ka say media party no obi entimi nya mehwe wo party mu yi medical abiamte no menti party de temete no obewie no aside na mu say oye regional chairman obewie no aside na mu say osan MPP ni mapa sa MPP ni enim na ene MPP
mami enu no side okare no MPP when MPP NDC core position 2012 2016 right 2016 John Dramani Mahama and na powerful eto the whole Ghana asking questions on the marketplaces hospitals ifa bibia mo na mo school fee na ehun asamije fimu enam school fee ni ade bisa question say what was their problem why I'm gonna vote to aba etia. So it tells you say party the equal position and you have a lot to do, a lot of homework to do. That's why we are trying to put things together. So we be okay say on pay or elections mono yen free na nkofa before bi anko de ankoba because you need electoral areas to form constituency and you need constituencies to form a region and you need regions to form national to win elections. So in this very contest, someone who no one that electoral area coordinators and our polling station na about me say say any dey fata. And the reason why I make unity as say your flag bearer in term send be space at their campaign. As it stands now, ye flag bearer. Within the month, some couples of months, 2-3 months ago, you have police station elections, you have electoral area elections, you see, I go constituency elections, you have on the 11th, you go constituency elections. You go we are heading towards the region. Your region are national, your national party will be here. Within this year, we are done with everything. So next year will be a lot of campaigning messages and a lot of campaigning programs within constituencies and region and national. So it tells you, say, we are building the base of the party. Because party we are and also we win elections and now we win elections are win elections. So as it stands now in MPP, the other you say you have to treat them they are binding like you are saying say for party meaning the same MPP now. Okay. But day in day out we have diversity ideas among for be different. But mobile we in for the contest in our whole biaso. Or do be to committee and we be our with their own idea. In terms of the champ or the defense, you know something I will be message that we campaign Ghana for and Fambra. Education, every two men in crop for Omodaho. The friend is saying so a friend is a committee apostle that Diano. But can Japan and Casagasa grass your money so a Benny Diano so a Yenny. So Obia and more baby. Okay. So we are from Adrian because we will be president and candidate Nanga. And Gaubenya home Abaye with Juma. In Tende, maybe I'll be up. You still have to help. Okay. Anyway, ideas are going to be president. No, it is so far MPP. They will shoot them money. Nanyamia 2028 ready to meet this force.
Okay, honorable ye na the kwakwa no sabedi and ramping focus share one basamno at the ama disciplinary committee. Oh, share kwan say a bam monte so na se ko ba ne se o. Yes, say honorable can compare for Japan. Ye ntimi pamone free MPP party ni still our MPP ni nti no ebia kasa na mo ne be kasa e be yon wanwana.
Oh no, me I'm not expecting say in uniform pam Japan party. No. Okay. That's the last thing I will wish for.
Call for.
Mommy, some people will call for a party. We have 16 regions. How many regions are they calling for?
Okay.
We just heard the central region. Okay. And they're calling for. But that doesn't give the leadership say, Saki Obi. No. As we speak, I'm saying, then we'll start next meeting. So meetings is caution. Definitely. You will call up. We look for a king. They are 24. Okay. So party will position and we are on them. Okay. And the party will power so I will never yeka. Say, Mr. Excuse me, say, when you cast out me, we can be baby, you will be a committee. With this, I don't think people can say, no, we can't expel Ken MPP. No. Okay. It's a very big blow for MPP. And yes, sir, personal will be an big party. A party. We need numbers. At this very time, we don't have time to expel somebody from. Even but we will not allow that. Okay. Yes. Once just a region. Now we have 16 regions. No. Okay. It will not happen.
Okay, honorable Kwakwa.
Oh, the workers have seen MPP before. Say, we are doing a Jinakono. You have to try a number of NDC. Internally, we don't have issues. If you have a mom, if you can't have a mom, we know this mafialism is there. You're paying for 99, but we are say mafialism is there, but that's what they are trying to mitigate or to stop. So, Savannah say you have a mom, doesn't mean so why the delegate our MPP, we are MPP, and you go shouting, say, so get my thing. And I'm a member being country will say, oh no, you delegate into Obamano. Show more the competent hands, the hardworking, the committed, the bold men who can work. Because 2028, 2029, we need men who are bold, who are outspoken, who are very vibrant, ready to serve the party, not just to acquire a position and sit at party office and be eating. No, you might do for my yokoye. MPP for you, Ghana, now, any of my demand, 2028, we are coming back to power.
Honorable Mandasipa. I was saying, I had a Burma acquired me a training in a Alhaji Farouk or your communication member at the NPP party or no, and I'm in the AD and we must also with our comments, our comment section or at the Amami. All the social media handles know a too much GH. Or subscribe like your share, not also in the dark good. Enemy.